Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Linguistic compactness of Quran. Case study 1. The first part of Kalima Tayyib, La ilaha illallah. The first part of Kalima al-Tayyib, which is also be found in Surah Al-Saffat and Surah Muhammad, the only two places in the Quran where this exact phrase occurs. In this table, we see the original text and translation of La ilaha illallah in Quranic Arabic, English, and Bangla. In the Quranic Arabic, the text La ilaha illallah is composed of three unique letters Alif, Lam, and Ha. The total number of letters is 12. 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 12. And the total number of words is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4. English translation, there is no God except Allah, uses 15 unique letters THERISNOGDXCPAL. These are the letters, unique letters. The total number of letters is 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 5 is equal to 23, and the total number of words is 6. On the other hand, Bangla translation, Allah chhara kono upasya nei, uses 11 unique letters A, Lo, Ho, Cho, Ro, Ko, No, Rosho, Po, Dantya, Roshoi. The total number of letters is 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 13, and the total number of words is 5. English translation uses 5 times more unique letters, 1.92 times more total letters, and 1.5 times more words than the Quranic Arabic La ilaha illallah. On the other hand, Bangla translation uses 3.67 times more unique letters, 1.08 times more total letters, and 1.2 times more words than the Quranic Arabic La ilaha illallah. This example highlights the Quranic Arabic has a greater textural efficiency, conveying profound meaning with fewer letters and words. Quranic Arabic, in this example part of Kalima al-Tayyiba, delivers profound meaning with remarkable conciseness, while English and Bangla translations necessarily expand the text to uphold the same message. Quranic Arabic uniquely combines semantic density, rhythmic harmony, and phonetic elegance properties not reproducible in other translations, which is a shining beauty of Al-Quran. This study is done using English and Bangla translations only. More languages can be introduced. These findings highlight the Quran's competence to achieve maximum expressive powers with minimum linguistic inputs, underscoring the divine wisdom behind the choice of Arabic as the language of revelation. Subhanallah. Assalamu alaikum.